What's the meaning of bloatware? Bloatware. Bloatware.
Bloatware. Bloatware. Bloatware refers to software that is pre-installed on a device and takes up a significant amount of storage space, but is often unnecessary or unwanted by the user. This type of software can slow down the device, drain its battery life, and make it difficult to perform basic tasks. Bloatware is commonly found on smartphones, computers, and other electronic devices. It may include trial versions of software, promotional apps, and redundant programs that overlap with built-in features. Some users choose to remove bloatware from their devices to free up space and improve performance, while others find it to be a minor inconvenience.